Well, welcome back to the shop, folks. Today we're gonna take a crack at getting my old Craftsman front end loader tractor running. Gonna give the carburetor the once over and dump some fresh fuel in it. Check the oil as well. And probably put a booster pack on her and we'll see if she'll fire off. So I've been second guessing myself about a dozen times now. This doesn't seem to want to come off very easily. It keeps getting tighter. And I've had to question the whole righty-tighty, lefty-loosey thing a few times now because, you know, you're working upside down. So you could get it backwards, but I don't think so. I've double and triple checked. And I'm either stripping that or something else is going on. I hope that's not a sign that the carb is full of water. It does seem to be getting easier. Oh, I don't want to get any fuel on my phone, but the fact that nothing's coming out is probably not a good sign. Well, it looks like this might have succumbed to water and or ethanol fuel. So I've cleaned up the carburetor kind of the best I can without taking it off. This stuff cleaned up. I did have a bit of trouble getting the needle out of the, you know, the brass jet or whatever, but I've got it all lubed up and working nice and smooth now. And the bottom of the carb and the float and everything looks okay, and I've got good clean fuel coming through when I turn the gas on. So I'll put everything back together, top up the oil, and give her a shot. Well, I'm feeling kind of dumb right now because I can't find the key to that machine. I mean, I'm sure I've got the right one, but it will not crank the ignition, and I've tried all my other ones that were similar and no dice. So I guess we're going to try the old screwdriver method. Well, here's the carburetor. I kind of got it all cleaned out and all the little passages cleaned out and carb cleaner flowing through them, so it might be okay now. We'll reassemble it, and it's starting to get a bit late, so I might not get back to firing up the tractor till tomorrow, but till then. Alrighty, so it's the next day, and we actually had tornado warnings today. We had quite a few storms roll through, and so I didn't think we were going to have any videoing outside today, but it's pretty hot. It's warm enough that everything's dried out and the weather has improved. So we are just going to carry on. We got the tractor running yesterday. We're going to pump up that tire. Let's hope it starts up again, and then we will get to what we're doing. Well, the feet on this compressor are going to interfere with the spacing of my forks, which are non-adjustable. I don't want this thing tipping off or sliding off, so I think I'll go ahead and lay it back down, and then we'll center it up on the forks and strap it down. As I'm going to get. Getting it centered on there. I pick it up. This will not clear this is going to clear. It won't rest on the pallet fork. So the whole thing's probably going to flop down. Want to, and these are going to hit and kick, and it's going to do all kinds of weird stuff. So let me think about this for a second. There we go. I feel better with it like that. I almost forgot to unstrap it. I was getting mixed up as to why my forks wouldn't slide out. But this is my prize. Vintage air compressor. And yeah, I'm starting to collect a few things that I've purchased at auction that I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with, but future projects, no doubt. I may just clean this up, fix it up, and sell it. Because I don't really need it, but you know, we'll see if it's any good.